In this video, I want to show you how you can add page numbers in different sections of your Word document. Inserting page numbers in different sections of a document can be a bit more complex than simply adding them throughout. Here I have a Word document and want to insert a page number starting from the introduction. So basically, I want the cover page and the abstract to be blank, and the introduction page will be page number 1. Let's find out how to do that. To insert a page number, go on the Insert tab. In the header and footer group, select Page Number. Then choose a style and location. We're going to have our numbering on the bottom right. Your chosen page numbers will now appear in your document. You can see the page numbers in a footer of each page. But wait, we have a page number on a cover page, and that doesn't make any sense. If you don't want a page number to appear on the first page, select Different First Page. And now we see that the numbering begins or starts from the abstract. But we actually want the numbering to start from the introduction instead. To do that, we have to break this document into sections and set page number for each. So I'll go ahead and press Ctrl Z to undo all of what we have done. I will put the introduction on the second page. Go to Layout, select Breaks, and from the section breaks, we will select Next Page. To see whether we actually have a section break, let's head to the Home tab and toggle on the paragraph icon to show hidden format within our document. As you can see, it tells us that from this page, there's a section break. Now, this document has been divided into two separate sections. The cover page and the abstract is one section. The introduction downward is another section. So let's go ahead and insert our page number beginning from the introduction. Before we do, we want to toggle this off, so whatever we do in section 2 won't appear in section 1 of our document. And now go to Page Number, choose a style and location. We want our page numbering to start at 1. So we will go to Page Number, Format Page Numbers, and start at 1. Click OK. Now we have successfully inserted a page number in the second section of our document, leaving the first section, which is the cover page, and the abstract blank. And that's how you can insert a page numbers in different sections of your Word document. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.